to talk with you again, 'cause the vision softly creeping left its seats while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, leave the halo of a street lamp, turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light, and split the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without thinking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. Fools that I didn't know, silence like a cancer grows. Take my words and have my eyes reach you. Take my arms and have my eyes reach you. My words like silence raindrops fell, echo in the wells of silence, and the people out and pray to the neon garden gate, and the sun flashed out its morning, and the words that it was forming, and the signs that the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, in tenements halls, and whispered the sound of silence.